Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back to Neely FX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading and basically trading in general. I've got a little case of the hiccups, so bear with me for just a second. Let's see. We've got a couple things to talk about today. Not a whole lot, but a couple of things to talk about. First, let's talk about the risk disclaimer screen. Since I'm in the United States, I need to say this on pretty much every video. Let's see, go something like this. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and that is Henry, the Forex trading parakeet. So that's not your speakers, that is the bird chirping. It's maxing out my audio. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. I am a proprietary trader or I'm working on it. I'm in the middle of a challenge right now. We'll talk about that later. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. Now, the CFTC Risk Disclosure, Henry, goes something like this. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you and for you, as well as for you. Before trading, consider your your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So let's see what we've got going on in the for today. I'd like to go to Forex Factory. And it's a place that I've been a long time. It's actually where the Neely FX name started in 2012. Let's see. So not a whole lot going on. We do have core PPI. No, we don't. That was yesterday. Today we have retail sales, and more retail sales, and unemployment claims. Unemployment claims is not really it's not going to really be a driver in the new economy, in this economy, because anybody can create a new cash flow just by picking up their iPhone. Let's see. So with Philadelphia, it's probably going to be a big one around 8:30. So we do have a lot of data coming out around 8:30, and let's see if we've got any positions lined up and ready to go. We do not at this time have any trades in right now. However, I am looking at this. I'm looking at the euro right here. I may not have time to put it in because I've got to go to my day job in just a minute. Oh, Henry, stop it. The right in the back of my head. The euro has broken out of the daily and the 4-hour trend line. So it's not really a convincing breakout though, because it's not really. I don't really see any momentum down here on RSI. If you'll notice, I've added relative strength index and percent range to the mix, so we can better choose what trades we're going to get into, what trades we're not going to get into. So although it has broken out, it's just not a convincing move. It's not something I want to get into yet. It may develop over time. If I were in the office all day, it might develop around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. I guess we could put a sell stop in there right now. I'm not sure that we want to do that though. Oh, not going to do that. Let's go back to the other ones real quick. Let's see. USJPY. Let's go to that one next. USJPY. And probably just click on the little button to the side, but I like to go this way. Here we've got a little bit of if this would have been great if I were in the office all day yesterday, because this would have been a good time to buy the sell, to come in as a buyer right around here. Although that could have been a flash crash. I did notice that till about 11 o'clock, and I was wondering what was going on with that. And by then it had already rebounded up into this range. So it's not something I had the opportunity to get into. However, what I am looking at right here are these candles are kind of indicating that there's not a whole lot of strength to the upside. It looks like the bears are beating that one down a little bit because it's judging by the long wicks and then coming back down. So I'm not sure that I want to trade that either. Something I've also noticed is that sometimes the Japanese yen trades alternatively to conventional thinking. So you might want to think when you think it's going to go down, it goes up. And again, not quite sure why. But again, we don't really have any convincing RSI or Williams percent range to actually get into that trade or to set it up. And so I'm not going to. And secondly, it hasn't broken any trend lines. So it's still just camping out in that little area. Let's look at gold real quick, just for grins. USD. Did I get the right one? No, I did not. I want the one from Forex.com. That's what I draw my little lines on. Not really anything happening there. It just keeps bouncing around in between the support and resistance lines. Again, if you're in the office trading all day, then that might be a lucrative way to just take the up, just sell when it gets into the red range, and then buy when it gets down to that resistance area around where it is right now, 33.26. Silver. Let's look at silver real quick, and then I'm gonna have to go. Silver is doing its thing. Oh, look at that. Broke 39. And then after that, it's just kind of been hanging around for a little while, around the 33 or 37.82 area. The tariff talks are playing a large role in that, and that is something that I've never seen tariffs in my lifetime, so I'm not sure what the actual how that works, or how that works basically. So with that, I'm not getting into any markets right now because I will not be in the office today for the rest of the day. If I were in the office today, then I might do one. However, the euro is looking like it may go south, but I'm not. It's not convincing enough for me to bet money on it, to put money on that trade. So that's going to do it for me. Again, if you feel like trading the euro down, then that's by all means, it's your prerogative. But I personally would not. You guys have a great one. That does not mean I know everything. You may know something I don't. So that I'm going to go with that too. So with that, you guys have a great one, and I will talk to you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and subscribe to this channel, and I will talk to you later. Have a great one.